If I talk to end users about actuation, they tell me they want products with the lowest total life cycle cost and also minimum upfront investments. As an actuator manufacturer, how do you reconcile those demands?
Well, it's very difficult, David. I think there is often a sense of unreality in what the customer's demanding, in that they're after the absolute best product for the lowest cost. And often what we're trying to do is find that balance with them. And whether that is through providing highly technical, advanced piece of equipment that have self-diagnostics that enable them only to respond to equipment that's failed in a predictive manner, or whether it's buying low-cost equipment and through regular maintenance and servicing, making sure that the integrity of the equipment is up to scratch. So I think there is a balance between there, and every customer has their own point on that continuum.
And again, I understand you're supplying a wide range of industries such as coal, power, energy, oil and gas, etc. Yeah. Is that a problem for you in terms of manufacturing such a broad range?
I think it is always a challenge. We are, part of our strategy is to try and provide a complete range of products for every customer that is looking to actuate a device or a valve. And so, what we're trying to do is, as a strategy, is have products which have a general breadth, but also have them that are finely specialised for very specialised industries, such as the process industries. So over time, I've no doubt we will add more products, more innovation, that will provide customers that complete spectrum of services.
If we move, for example, to something like predictive maintenance, that's an issue which gets very technical very quickly. Is that an issue for your customers?
I think for some customers, clearly it isn't. They are really into the technology. A lot of customers are talking about predictive maintenance these days. They read about it, the asset management firms out there, the new SAP systems, the ERP systems, they're all driving down that route, and that's part of their sales strategy. But finding the engineers that can understand, the vibration monitoring, the thermal imaging, the torque profiling. So understanding all of those technologies, really, they need to have some PhDs in their business, and a lot of customers don't have that. So what we try and do is provide some level of self-diagnosis that can give them an answer which is, this one's fine, this one needs to be looked at. And then they can then get into the granularity and dive down into the detail to find out, okay, so I've got an issue on this particular MOV, now go in and do the investigation and find out what it is. So it's about trying to make it easy, but also provide the detail there for those customers that have that technological capability. I think the other side to that as well is making sure if the customer doesn't have that capability, is having the required service business distributed around the world to support your customers. And that's something that we take very seriously.
Final question. Okay. You've said that Rotork aims to be the market leader in terms of actuation. Can you lift the veil then on any new products or initiatives at this time?
What I can say is that we invest a huge amount in innovation. We always look to provide a differentiated product to our customers that will provide them with value. So we invest a lot in innovation. And I can say that we are continually looking at a whole range of products with a whole range of engineers distributed around the world to try and keep us at the forefront and delivering value to our customers. In terms of the specifics of what we're doing, I can't share that with you at this stage.
Grant, that's understood. Thank you for your time and congratulations on the recent promotion.
Thank you very much, David.